Pharmaceutical executives are meeting in Washington to discuss one of the most pressing issues in healthcare, rising drug prices. Finding a prescription for the problem is complex, and as Meg Tirrell reports, industry leaders are preparing for a lot of change under the new Trump administration.
The price of drugs has been a key issue weighing on the pharmaceutical industry, and it was a major topic of discussion today at the FDA-CMS Summit, a meeting of industry executives, regulators, and observers in Washington.
It's no secret that almost nobody likes what's happening with drug prices.
Drug stocks initially rallied after the election, under the expectation that Donald Trump may not focus on pricing as much as Hillary Clinton. Not so fast. Trump's comments to Time magazine that he'll bring drug prices down have sent the industry back into a tailspin. Now drug companies are preparing for what the president-elect may have in store.
It's a very complicated situation. With respect to the president-elect, our industry is going to work with him and his administration and try to come up with reasonable ways of handling this.
Others are just waiting for Trump to turn to Twitter.
Especially if we see another EpiPen, another Turing, another Valiant, yes, I could see someone being called out in a tweet by our president-elect. So I really think you're right. The tweeting is going to continue, and it's going to hurt companies.
The industry is also anticipating a change at the top of its key regulator, the FDA. The new commissioner will join at a time the agency is taking patient perspective into account more than ever, a tenet embraced by the 21st Century Cures Act, signed into law this week by President Obama.
It elevates the voice of the patient in how drugs are developed. So it's called patient-focused drug development. And it enables patients to actually tell us what matters to them about their disease, what they want to be ameliorated, and what is a burden of treatment.
The FDA doesn't take price into consideration, though the agency's Dr. Janet Woodcock pointed out it has cleared a backlog of generic drug applications, something often pointed to as a key contributor to higher drug prices. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell in Washington.